Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see how to create a FMB drawings, which is a survey drawings which is created. If you have drawings of old drawings, you can make it renovation in AutoCAD. Usually, people tend to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create the same drawing in Revit, which is good, and the same can be applied in AutoCAD as well. In this, there are different ways that you can do. People tend to do. I will show you that. And there are three ways that I'm going to show you. You can take it up whatever the ways that you like. So we are making a continuous of tools and tricks, tips in Revit. Do subscribe and share it with your learning friends so that they also learn it. With that, so this is the FMB drawings that I took it from the internet, and same is available here. So what we are going to do is we're going to start with this corner. You can see that clearly it's a triangulated geometry that usually will have length values, and sometimes very rarely will have angle values. So you can see that there are three lengths values available, but don't have a drawings which contains an angle value. So the first method one. So if you go to the website triangulated geometry, that you will be able to apply triangle values, what values that you have, and based on that value, automatically it will determine the angles. So with that, 37.2 is the one side length. So consider this as all are in meters, 37.2. So we're going to apply one side as 37.2 and the other side is 37.6. On the other side, it's going to be 13.4. Once it is done, you can say calculate. You have to remove the angle values that if you have. So you can see that the angle values are available, and you can pick up the values and apply the angles automatically. It will come. So for in this case, I can go ahead and create all these values and apply that in Revit. So I can go and take the line command. So we can go ahead and apply first length value, which is for 13.4. So 13.4 meter, and the second value it's going to be 37.2, which is the angle is you can see here B value 81.36. So I'll keep this in the second window so that I can apply it faster. So I can see that it should be 81. I can see 81. I can apply value 37.2. And I can enter. Okay, it's not 37.2 meter. The angle it's 81.36. I have to change the angle value. $81.367, and again taking the line. This side it's 37.6. It should be by default. You can see that it comes as that is the correct value. You know that it's taking very long time to model these elements, and I can hide this elevation value. And I can hide it like this. So the same way, we will be able to go ahead to the other triangle and we will be able to draw it. So this is method one, and method two will be much easier, I think. So in that method, we're going to use the circle where the value will be automatically taken. For example, if we have used in the early stage of school days, we have to draw a circle for 9.2, so which is a radius. So let's go ahead and draw a circle which is 9.2 meter, and draw another circle which is this is a method 2. We will be able to do it 36.4. From here it's 36.2. Sorry, again it's a meter. Circle. Is 6.4 meter. So this is the intersecting point that we have to connect, and we will be able to connect it with these values. So we got two triangles. So this will be much more faster than the other one. And again, we can go for one more time, 13 and 40.3. So we can go ahead, draw a circle, 13 meter. And the other one is 40.3 meter. Okay, this is the one. We have to delete the other one. So we have the line now. We will be able to draw, and we can make this as continuous, and we can delete the circle. So in this way, we will be able to draw much faster. The other one more way that I have in here, even as I said, this can be used in AutoCAD as well, the same methods. And I have a Revit parametric family, which is a line-based family that I can load it into project where this is constrained in all three corners, all three sides, ABC value. We will be able to take this into accounts like this. You will be able to see that the value will be automatically calculated. It's not constrained based on the length value of ABC. So we can go ahead and load this. All the parameters are instance parameters. So we can go ahead and load it and keep it inside the project, and we can apply the three values that we have to assign. So for in this case, we have to go ahead the 40.3 meter, and so the A side, B side. So we can have another parameter also for understanding. This is the A side, and the B side will be this side. So like that. So we can go ahead and assign this value. For our understanding, we can have 3D text as well. Let me go ahead and assign text A, and copy C, copy B. So this is just for our understanding. We can delete it at a time later. So now C side, we have to have 40.3 meter, and okay, we can apply that together. And the other side is 17.8. On the other side, 51.1 meter. The value is calculated now, and it automatically applies, and we are not constrained these elements, so it remains in the same place. It's fine. And we can rotate this or align that. Move this like this. We will be able to align them. So this is how it aligns automatically in this position. So this is the three ways that we will be able to do. And do let me know which method is faster and which is convenient to you and which is more customizable in the later time when it is need to be. So do let me know in the comment, and I hope you will be able to do it FMB drawings also using Revit or AutoCAD, the convenient conventional method. And do let me know in the comment what other projects or what other tutorials that you wanted in AutoCAD or BIM tools that you like to learn. So do follow for bimmodel.com for more Revit families and Revit projects or 3D model requirement that you have. We can do it as a service for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.